Hi, Rick. Well, Governor Larry Hogan is really following into the footsteps of other governors who've recently made that move. But this decision to remove the masks in schools, it's really up to the State Board of Education. And as of this moment, that mandate is still in place.
I'm still a little nervous about it.
Jim Rapp has a 7-year-old in school, and he's not ready to get rid of the masks in the classrooms just yet.
I'll probably be okay with that, honestly, when the time comes, but I'm kind of wishing we just wait until maybe a little bit into the spring.
Michael McMains, on the other hand, thinks after 2 years, the time has come.
She never had an issue wearing the mask, and I don't think, I think we're used to it now. I just personally feel at this point in time, I'm not wearing a mask the rest of my life. And I know we're talking about the schools, but, they're tested all the time.
Governor Larry Hogan said this far into the pandemic, Maryland has a system that's working and the numbers prove it. He also said there is bipartisan support across the country that now is a good time to remove masks in schools.
We're all hopeful that we're not going to have another Omicron situation. It was incredibly difficult to deal with. As we've all mentioned, our team has been working around the clock for nearly 2 years now, battling every one of these phases, but we can't be guaranteed that there's not another one in the future. But I think we're much more prepared than we ever were before.
He doesn't meet with our educators, and so this is just, to me, a political decision.
But some educators think the governor wants to move too fast.
Crowded classrooms, crowded hallways that are they're together for 6 to 7 hours together. So it's important that we do everything that we can to make sure our students can stay in school.
And some experts say we should not forget about the kids 5 and under who are still not eligible for a vaccine.
It seems prudent to wait until we can have availability for more children to be vaccinated.
And once again, it's the State Board of Education who will determine if this mask policy will go away in the schools. And as of this moment, it is still in effect. And they're looking into meeting certain benchmarks. For example, if 80% of the teachers and students are vaccinated, they will consider removing that mandate. But as of this point, it is still in effect. Live tonight, Ava Joy Burnett for WJZ.